Hello my dear students, welcome to science class. Today I will be discussing the sky, that is your chapter number 14. So let us go in detail about this chapter. The stars are my jewels. The sun makes me bright. The moon covers me in a silvery light. Here in this chapter, the sky says that the stars are my jewels. Okay, the stars, the twinkling stars you see. Okay, you see on the sky the twinkling stars, no, which is so bright and twinkling. Okay, so the sky says that is the stars are the sky's jewels. Okay, the sun makes me bright. Of course, whenever the sun rises, when the sun rises, it makes a whole world bright. Okay. So the moon covers me in a silvery night. The sky says that the moon covers me at a silvery night. The light of the moon is described as a silvery night. Okay, the color of a silver, shiny. Okay, the moon covers when the moon rises. At that time, the sun, the brightness of the sun goes and the silvery shine, the light of a moon comes out and it covers the sky. Okay, that is a silvery shine. It is whitish, silvery in color. Okay, it has been described, it has been compared with a silvery shine. The moonlight is compared with a silvery shine. Okay, silver shines. Okay, so when the sun rises, I blush a rosy pink. So when the sun rises at the morning, you see, no, like pinkish color with a shyness. When you become very shy, no, when you are embarrassed, you become embarrassed, your cheeks becomes pinkish color, no. The same way it has been described here, that the sky, when the sun rises, at that time the sky becomes blushy pink in color, blush pink in color. Okay, that is a light reddish color. Okay. On a moonless night, I look as dark as ink. Okay, so on a moonless night, okay, so at the moonless night, the sky looks very dark. Okay, because the moon is not there to provide a light. Okay, so at that time the sky looks very dark, like a ink. Our ink is in black in color, no, we write. Okay, so it has been described, it has been compared with the ink. The night, the dark night has been compared with a ink. Okay, so the rainbow is a ribbon I wear on a special day. The rainbow is described as a ribbon, colorful ribbon. Okay, so children wear different kinds of bands on their head, no, so it is a colorful bands. When you wear this one, you don't wear every day that band, no, sometimes occasionally you wear when you want to go out for occasions. You have to go to your auntie's home, you have to go somewhere, at that time you wear, at that time you decorate your hair with a band. Okay, so the rainbow is compared with a ribbon, with a colorful ribbon. Okay, because the rainbow doesn't appear every day. Okay, so in occasions, in some days, sometime it appears. Okay, so when the sun comes out again after the rain goes away, so as soon as the sun comes out after the clouds, after the rain goes away, the day becomes again brighter, the rainbow disappears. Okay, like as soon as you come home, no, you open your band and keep, no, the same way. Okay, as soon as the sun comes up and the rain goes, at that time the rainbow also disappears. Okay, the sky is like a giant TV screen. The sun is the brightest actor on this screen. The sky is described as a very big. Giant means a big. Okay, huge. Okay, huge TV screen. The sky is described as a huge TV screen, and the sun is here the brightest actor. Okay, the sun is compared with the brightest actor. The sun is a huge ball of fire. The fire gives light and warmth. As we all know that sun is a huge ball of fire, the ball which is filled with fire. Okay, so it gives us brightness and the warmth. Okay, so when the sun rises you feel hot, no? So that is the warm, you feel warm, you feel hotness. Okay, so this is because of that fire, I mean because of that fire inside inside the sun, that is inside the ball. The sun is like a ball shape. Okay, the sun is far away from us, but it is so hot that we can feel its warmth. So although the sun is very millions of kilometers far away from the earth, but still it gives us brightness, still it gives us the warmth. We can feel the hotness of the sun. Okay. So without the sun warmth, we would freeze to death. Obviously, if there is no sun, there will be no life. If there would have been no sun, there would have been no life. Okay. So the sun is there, brightness is there. If there is no sun, we would have been died. Okay, because of the freeziness, because of the coolness. Okay, because the sun only gives us the light and the warmth. Okay, the hotness. The moon too is like a ball, but it is not a ball of fire. It has rocks and sand like the earth. The moon too is also like a ball. Okay, the moon is also like a ball. Okay, so like sun, the sun is a fire ball. Okay, you can say the full of fire. Okay, the ball of fire. Okay, the sun is a ball of fire, but moon is a ball, but it doesn't have any fire on it. Okay, so it is all made of, it presents inside them, it has rock and sand. Okay, sand like the earth. Okay, so the earth is round too. It looks like this. Okay, see page number 55. You take page number 55 and you see the earth is round too. It looks like this. Like this the earth looks. Okay, round in shape. Okay, the earth is much bigger than the moon. The earth is bigger than the moon, but smaller than the sun. And the sun is much bigger than the earth. Of course, the sun is bigger than the earth, and the earth is bigger than the moon. That is, the moon is smaller than earth, but the sun is bigger than the earth. Do the stars have light? Yes, the stars have light. The stars are like the sun. They are ball of fire. So the moon doesn't have fire inside it. Okay, so it is of rocks and sand like earth, but the stars have light, plus it is also a ball of fire like the sun. Okay, many of them are bigger than the sun. Okay, the stars, some stars you can see from here, the skies, the beautiful stars are twinkling on the skies. Okay, it's twinkling on the sky. So that is quite bigger than, much more bigger than the sun. Okay, they look small because they are very, very far away. The stars look very small, very tiny. Okay, because they are very much far away from the earth. Okay, so they are very much far away. Although they are bigger than sun, but still it looks very small because it is far away from the earth, very much, compared to if I say that sun is also far away from us, but not that much. The stars are far away from us. Okay, the stars are very much far away compared to the sun. The stars are much farther than us. Okay, much farther. The sun is really a star. It is closer to earth than the other star. So it looks big. It is the best star for us. It gives us light and warmth. The sun is really a star. It is closer to us compared to the stars. As I already said you that compared to the stars, the sun is close to the earth. Okay, and the stars are much bigger than the sun. Okay, although they are a firing ball. Okay, ball of fire. And the sun gives us light and warmth. So here ends the discussion of this chapter. If you have any doubt and to get it clarified with your doubts, you can contact me between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Thank you.